Arizona's climate may not typically bring snow and ice in the winter, but prepping your vehicle for cooler weather with fall car care is still important. That's because the intense heat and dusty conditions during summer can wear down your vehicle in ways drivers in cooler climates might not experience. Regular fall car maintenance isn't just a good idea, it's essential for vehicle longevity and reliability in Arizona. Here's a guide to the most important fall car care tips and why Arizona drivers need to prioritize seasonal maintenance. Arizona's climate presents a mix of intense heat, dust, and dry air, which can take a toll on various vehicle components. Here's how the Arizona climate makes seasonal maintenance so crucial. Heat-related stress. Summer temperatures in Arizona can reach well over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, putting extreme stress on your car's cooling system, tires, and battery. These components can experience accelerated wear in high heat. Dust and debris. Dust storms and dry air can clog air filters and damage belts and hoses. Dust accumulation in the engine can reduce performance and even cause overheating if left unchecked. Temperature fluctuations. As temperatures begin to cool in the fall, rubber components like belts and hoses can start to show signs of cracking due to the wear of extreme summer heat followed by cooler weather. Taking time for fall car care helps you address any damage caused by the summer heat. It also prepares your vehicle for cooler days, so you can avoid costly auto repairs and maintain your car's health. Now let's talk about some fall car care tips for Arizona drivers. Number 1. Check and replace air filters. Arizona's dusty conditions can clog your air filter, reducing engine efficiency and impacting fuel economy. Check your air filter and replace it if it appears dirty. A clean filter improves engine performance and reduces strain on your engine. Number 2. Inspect tires and monitor pressure. Arizona's hot weather can cause tire rubber to wear down faster and lead to underinflation, especially as temperatures start to cool. Check the tread depth and inflation of all tires, including the spare. If tread wear is uneven, consider a tire rotation. This can extend tire life and improve vehicle handling. Number 3. Examine belts and hoses for cracks or wear. The summer heat can harden and wear out belts and hoses, which may cause leaks or engine overheating. Inspect belts and hoses for any signs of cracks, brittleness, or wear. Replacing worn components now can prevent breakdowns on the road. Number 4. Test the battery. Extreme summer temperatures can drain battery power, making it more likely to fail as temperatures cool. Have your battery tested to ensure it's holding a charge. Cleaning off any corrosion and ensuring the terminals are tight will help it last longer. Number 5. Check fluid levels and quality. Proper fluid levels are essential for maintaining engine performance and preventing overheating, especially after a hot summer. Check engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and windshield washer fluid levels. Fall is a great time to flush out old fluids, especially coolant, which plays a critical role in keeping your engine at the right temperature. Number 6. Inspect brakes for safety and efficiency. The Arizona heat can lead to brake pad wear and reduce braking efficiency. Check brake pads, rotors, and fluid levels. Replacing worn brakes now will improve your stopping power and help keep you safe on the road. Number 7. Inspect wiper blades. Arizona's summer sun can cause wiper blades to become brittle and ineffective. Replace old or worn wiper blades. This will ensure you have clear visibility during rain showers or dust storms. Number 8. Assess your vehicle's cooling system. The cooling system is essential for preventing overheating, which is a common issue in Arizona's hot climate. Have the coolant level, radiator, and water pump inspected. Replacing old coolant and checking for leaks can keep your engine safe from overheating as temperatures cool. Seasonal car maintenance may seem like an added expense. However, it can actually save you money in the long run by preventing breakdowns and costly repairs. At Good Works Auto Repair, we understand the unique demands that Arizona's climate places on your vehicle. Our experienced technicians offer comprehensive fall car care services to help you keep your vehicle in peak condition, no matter what the season brings. When you schedule fall car care with us, we'll perform a thorough inspection of your vehicle and provide expert advice on any maintenance it may need. From checking tire pressure and battery health to ensuring your cooling system is ready for the season, we're here to help you keep your car safe, efficient, and reliable. Protect your car and your wallet by scheduling fall car care at our Tempe Auto Repair Shop today.